Well, welcome back everyone to Skincare and Beauty with PerkiPerkins. So today on my channel, I'm really excited because today I have, as you can see right here and from my title, I have my winter FabFitFun box. I actually been loving my FabFitFun the last couple seasons, especially with a lot of the new changes. So if you're interested in hearing a little bit more about FabFitFun and find out what I was able to customize for the winter season, make sure you guys keep on watching. Welcome everyone. So again, today I'm very gooberly excited as I'll be doing the unboxing for the FabFitFun box. I do remember some of my items I did pick out, but I don't remember all of them. This box actually arrived as I was literally walking out the door from my house to hop on an airplane. I ended up leaving for a week and a half basically. So it literally just sat collecting dust and probably getting some spiders because I literally just threw it under a desk in my living room. So yeah. But anyways, for those who might not be aware, FabFitFun is a quarterly subscription, you guys, actually. And FabFitFun does have two options when it comes to their memberships. The first one being a quarterly subscription. That means you pay every month, every third month, a $49.99, or you can pay for the year. So instead of having 4 payments, you pay one time and you get a $20 discount on the top of that. Like mine was like 180 bucks, basically 179, which I think that's actually a great deal to in. But you're also given some added perks when you become a yearly member, basically a select member. When you're a select member, we get first dibs when it comes to customizations. We get like a week early access for customizations. We also get a week early access to add-ons. And the one thing I do like about FabFitFun's add-ons, for that, they do like a little countdown. They give 7 to 10 days, and at the end they will charge your card, so you don't have to actually purchase it that moment, but it locks you in for that item and all that stuff. Which again, I like that because sometimes, you know, I'm not sure, so I end up second guessing myself, and then I end up missing out on add-ons because you know, I have a lot of shit. I don't need a ton of add-ons right now, but sometimes I want some, you know, sometimes. But anyways, so the other cool thing is, besides getting the early access, we're given full customizations now, which means we get to customize everything. They give us a nice little list of all the products that are available in each category, and we're able to customize all 6 of our items. That's amazeballs because no other subscription service does that. This makes it so that your box is way more customized than anything else. Now, I don't know, in my opinion, now that we're able to customize so much more, basically, again, for select members, we're able to customize everything. It makes it so that it's hopefully a box you're truly going to love and enjoy. And if maybe one category you weren't too happy with the items, in my case, I let my daughter pick. I let my husband pick. There's been men's stuff. I let my mom pick. You know, they give you time to choose. It's not just that day you're done and that's it, you know. If you go, I don't want to actually commit to a yearly membership, just in case, I don't mind paying the $49.99 every 3 months. No problem. First thing you can do is, there is, again, discount codes, discount links from like big time YouTubers, where they're like Jenla's reviews. Oh gosh, there's like so many out there, right? You guys know who they are. You guys know who's affiliated. Alexandria, you know, they're affiliated to FabFitFun. I used to be affiliated, but they up and canceled the program on me. So I got the boot. Yeah, I was affiliated and I got the boot, you guys. But anyways, so FabFitFun, hit me up. I'll be happy to be an affiliate again. But anyways, again, I'm not affiliated, but they do usually, those other influencers do have like $10, $20, $15, something like that discounts. Support an influencer, try to give them a little bit of credit, you know what I mean, and get yourself a discount. You know, you get 1 week less when it comes to being able to customize your box. You're also only able to customize either 3 or 4 items. I'll put it on the screen because I forgot, honestly. But anyways, I've talked way too much at this point, you guys. I want to get started and let's open this box because I forgot everything except for I know one item. And let's go. This box is so huge, you guys. I really do like how every season FabFitFun works with an artist, works with an agency for like good causes and whatnot. Anyways, so let's open her up, you guys. Again, I just broke the seal. Oh, this is huge. So every box always has their little magazine that goes over, again, a creator, an artist, someone that they want to spotlight. And it looks like this season is the Baroggio's actually CEO, Nancy Twine. Actually, when I used to go on Clubhouse, she used to be on there a lot. I used to love hearing her talk and her wisdom. Like, I really miss going to Clubhouse. I need to go on there more often. If anyone else is on Clubhouse, let me know so we can link up. And then they always send shitload of coupons. Like, I will say, I actually got the HelloFresh from FabFitFun because they had the best discount. The 16 free meals. If anyone wants this, let me know. I will give it to you guys. I highly recommend HelloFresh. I love HelloFresh. Like, my husband has been cooking healthy so much that he cooks almost every day. Isn't he the fucking sweetest, you guys? Like, he literally now cooks like 4-5 times a night because of HelloFresh. Thank you, HelloFresh, for changing my life and making my life easier. So this is like Nourish, some pharmacy stuff, HBO. They always send wine vouchers, always. I wish I drank. I don't anymore. Oh, I heard of this company, Sips By. It's like a tea delivery service. Definitely now that it's getting to winter, I'm sure my husband might like it because he loves tea. Oh my god, I'm so excited. There's so much stuff. Look at this. A little peek for y'all. Alright, so I'm going to do my first item. Yes. This is actually, this was the #1 item. There. Let me just open it up. Oh, and by the way, I almost forgot to mention. FabFitFun is available not only in the US and Canada, they also have a UK shipping now. So FYI, I don't know their prices, but they are available in Canada and the UK. That's awesome because not many companies, it's very rare, that actually ship especially from the US to the UK. So I'm not sure what the whole deal is with the UK shipping, but it's available now. So just so you know, UK peeps. I love Sunday Riley. This is the Sunday Riley A+ High Dose. I literally have like this much of my bottle left. I've been using it sparingly until I get this because this is really amazing for restoring your skin, especially in my case with my acne, maskne. It's like, it's been a hot mess. So I know for a fact Sunday Riley products just work wonders on my skin, and I do keep stuff on rotation just because my skin gets used to, my whole skin and body, everything, it gets used to something, so I have to keep a rotation. But it's the key ingredients and the way they work. So I do have other brands that I know are similar products but not the same. But again, this is probably like my first product that I would say was my holy grail, along with the Good Genes from Sunday Riley. And this is the 1 fluid ounce. This is like 90 bucks, you guys. Again, this paid for my box because technically speaking, I paid $45. So this right here is the $1 Billion Brow 6-piece Pro Brush Essentials Kit. This retails for $62. Now, I actually picked this because there wasn't very many good choices in this category. But I seriously already have this brush set. It's alright, you know, nothing amazing. I use them every blue moon. The bristles are nice, but again, the handles feel kind of cheap to me, and I don't feel it's worth the $65. But again, it's a 6-piece set, so who knows. But again, I already have this. I know they're decent, so I'm going to include these in a giveaway or a future giveaway, I should say. because PS, I do have an active giveaway, which I will have that giveaway link down below. So again, same situation on this guy right here. This is the Vitamask Cranberry and Apple Sheet Mask Set, and it retails for $24, and there's 3 sheet masks. So this says made with cranberry, apple, vitamin C, multi-purpose, multi-peptides, and probiotics. It's basically like a skin repairing and hydrating sheet mask. I have no patience for sheet masks, you guys. These usually go straight to my daughter, so if she doesn't want these will go in a future giveaway, but 80% chance she will want these, so these will go to her. And again, $24. That's pretty much why I picked them, because I knew she'll like these. She actually likes the Vitamask. I've gotten her some before where I've actually purchased because I found them on sale. This is for me. This is the Michael Kors beanie with the pom-pom, and it retails for $48. I'm sure the reason it retails $48 is because it's Michael Kors, and it has the little emblem right here and the little tag, right? But it looks super cute. It's very simple, but again, for me, I live in California. It's been sunny, it's beautiful outside, so it's not a big deal, but we do get some cold, windy nights. So that's why I got it. If not, maybe my son might like it. No big deal. I know how to take off the little pom-pom if he doesn't like it for some reason, but I like it. So again, happy. I'm just trying to find some Michael Kors shoes because my feet too big, girl. Next item I picked was this baby right here. I love Barosio, you guys. I do stray, you know, because I keep on trying new products just to see what works better for my hair, but I honestly need to commit to certain things. And when it comes to their Farewell Frizz, this is their blow dry protection and heat protectant. I've gotten a couple samples, like, you know, from Ipsy. I've gotten add-ons. I remember even BoxyCharm did the spray conditioner and one of these. I use them all up. I love this so much. It's great for my hair. I don't remember it making my hair heavy or greasy or anything like that, and it really helped me out. So I'm super glad I got to pick this. Retails for $24. It's not ridiculously expensive. This is a brand available at Sephora and Ulta, so it just depends on who has a better deal where I'll buy it, because oddly enough, I don't have a heat protectant cream. I have a bunch of other creams, but nothing for heat protection. I even have a spray for heat protectant. So yeah, so I'm super stoked about this beauty right here. Now for my last item. This is called the Short Stories Nesting Bowl Set Ensemble. Oh, that's a different language, sorry. This is a 3-piece bowl set. I just thought they looked really nice and chic. And you know what? In my household, as I mentioned just moments ago, we cook a lot, we bake a lot. So to have some cute little either decorative or serving, whatever kind of bowls these are, I'm sure they'll be used in my house. And again, that's one thing I really have enjoyed about FabFitFun, is the simple fact that I've been able to get so many other items. Like I don't think I posted the video, I don't remember, but the summer box. For the summer box, I ended up picking the little Dutch oven. We love it. It's great for making our... So the bowls are stated to retail for $39. Oh, wow. These are nice and weighted. I was worried that they would be like really cheap and flimsy, but no, these are very nice, very weighted. They have a very pretty presentation. Little saline pack. So let's unwrap it. So here's the little guy, and again, this is probably good for sauces and whatnot, or like if you want to put like nuts or whatever. Like sometimes I get bowls of nuts. Again, another nice one. Again, I'm not sure what we'll put in this, but something will go in there. Now this one's a little bit better because definitely we can fit a lot more. This is more on like an oatmeal bowl or cereal bowl, because this is one's kind of deep and whatnot. So I definitely like these. These are very cute and they all have their own individual patterns, which I appreciate. Okay, so I'm going to total up my box and see what the total retail value is. So the total retail value of my box is $282. Now, the biggest reason is the brushes. The brushes are stated to be $62 retail. Again, there's 6 brushes, so it makes it about $10 a pop. Do I feel like they're worth it? It's a gray zone because I do have really nice quality brushes. They're about the same price point. So I don't know. That one's kind of like, if I would have said maybe $40 would have been a good budgetary price. But either way, it's the value, again, it's there because I paid for the year. So that means my box was $45 for this quarter. We're going to get use out of each and every item. So I'm very, very happy. I'm very, very excited. And I can't wait to see what options will be available for the spring boxes. I'm hopeful they'll be amazing, even though I know everyone's having shortage issues right now. But I'm hopeful, especially since they went down from 8 to 6 items now. We caught on FabFitFun. But again, I'm fine with it. I'm fine with it because of the overall quality of the products are incredible. But anyways, you guys, let me know what you guys think about the products that I received this month. Do you guys like my choices? Did we make any of the same choices possibly? Or are you interested in subscribing to FabFitFun? Let me know. But anyways, thank you all so very much. I greatly appreciate each and every one of you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, select all in your notifications. This way YouTube notifies you the moment I do any uploads. And lastly, make sure to take care, be safe, and I will catch you on the next one. Goodbye.